It is hot in here, so I'm going to try to get through this video pretty quickly. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is another Stitch Fix unboxing video. I just got my box in and I am so excited to share it with you guys. I love these videos. I love unboxing my Stitch Fix with you guys, and yeah, it's like Christmas every single time I get one. Today is my June Stitch Fix box, and again, if you don't know what Stitch Fix, I do have a couple other videos where I talk about it. An update on my voice, I still am a little sick. I just got back from the doctor's today and don't have strep, don't have anything. They just said like laryngitis, just make sure that I rest my voice, which yeah, it's very hard to do when you're me and you work in retail and you've got to talk to people every single day. Let me get a drink real quick. I'm thirsty. I'm drinking Perrier lime sparkling water. Okay, so let's get right into the video and I'll show you guys what I got. So I was super excited because it came in this morning, and look, it is a huge box. Well, not huge, but it's way bigger than the other boxes that I got. So my last month and the month before that were really tiny boxes, and it was just clothing. And I'm pretty sure I put a note to my stylist that I wanted some shoes. So maybe she sent me some shoes. And cutting up the box, I'll show you guys what came in. Oh, okay. All right, so this is what I'm seeing. I just opened up the box. And yeah, all right, so here's the envelope, so you can send back anything you don't want, so that's good. And there's this little gift, a gift of style, celebrate with a gift card, something. So just a little thing that tells you that you can get a gift card for Father's Day, since Father's Day is coming up, or graduations. And then here's my little envelope from my stylist. Let's see, and then the price card right here. I'm not going to look at that right now. I'm just going to look at this, and I don't want to really see what's in the pictures. I just want to see her notes. So yeah, let's see. Let's just go right. I don't want to see what she included because I want it to be a surprise. So the first thing I see is this little bag here, and it's like a little tote, canvas tote, and inside are some shoes. How exciting. Oh, cute. All right. So these are little booties in my size, of course, thank God. So I think these are super cute because they will go with lots of different things. And they don't have a super huge heel. I'm already tall, so I love wearing heels, but I just don't like wearing super tall heels because I'm 5'7", and when I wear like a 4-inch heel, I'm already like 5'11", 6 foot. And that's not fun, you know, you don't want to feel like a giant, but you know. Anyway, so I think these are super cute, so I will try them on. The other one is wrapped up in this paper, but we will look at that. And those, let's see how much those are real quick. Footwear, they're $80, and they're by BC Footwear. Set Me Free Lace Up, oh, I feel like I spit. Set Me Free Lace Up Peep Toe and Cognac. Alright, we'll see how those fit. And then here's the rest of the clothing that I got sent. So there's that. So let's open this right up. Ooh, fun. Okay. So the first thing I see and I picked up is this, oh, cute. It's just like a white, simple top with a little pocket right here. It's a cotton. It feels like a cotton. And then it's pretty long, and it's that kind of stretchy knit fabric. And I love just plain classic tops, just that you can wear with anything. And this one is it's from Z Supply. It's called Koopy Knit Pocket Tee in white. And let's see how much that one is. So that one is $34. That's not too bad, but I really love. So I'm curious to see what this will look on. I'm sure it'll look good because it's just a plain little top. Alright, so the next thing I see is this florally thing. I think it's a kimono. Yes. Oh, cute. I love kimonos. Again, this is like a short sleeve little kimono. Love the print. Looks like cherry blossoms. Not really. Maybe. I don't know. Just little flowers with green and like a tan background. And it's pretty long. I like that it's like the same length all the way around. But yeah, this is super lightweight. I like it. This is by Kaylee, and it's called Tinkum Open Kimono by Kaylee. And that is, let's see, Tinkum Kaylee Kimono. It's $38. All right. The next thing I see is this. Okay, this is interesting. This isn't something that I would usually go for, but they're really cool. These are a pair of pants by Fortune and Ivy. It's called Vana Gauze Pant, and it's like this linen fabric. I will try them on for you guys. It's got an elastic here, so that's interesting. And it looks like it's got shorts underneath, which is good because they're kind of see-through. So yeah, it's just the lining. Looks like a short, and it's like a full pant, like a, you know, I don't know. Here, maybe if I can get up. Can you see it, guys? It's kind of wrinkly because I noticed like linen fabric can get. What was that? Anyway, I feel like in every video I make, there's like some kind of loud noise coming from somewhere. But yeah, these are interesting. I think they would be perfect for summer here because, you know, it's hot. It's like 100 degrees Fahrenheit, not Celsius. But yeah, I'm interested to try these on. That's awesome. So let's see how much these are. So these are Fortune Ivy Vana Gauze Pant in medium, and they are $34. That's not bad for a pair of pants. And then the last thing I see, which I'm kind of excited about. So these are a pair of shorts, but they're a little bit longer, which I like because I have been looking for some shorts like this, because I think like all the shorts that I currently have are pretty short shorts, and I feel like those are great for like, you know, if you go to the beach or somewhere. I'm not that young anymore where I can just wear like a booty short out in public. I just don't feel comfortable wearing a booty short in public. I don't know why. Like, I'm 29, approaching 30, and I feel like a booty short just doesn't suit me when I go out in public. But anyway, these are kind of longer, and they've got like a little cuff right here, and they're distressed, so they have a few holes, and they are mid-rise, which is perfect. So we will give these a try. And let's see, these are Vigos Pixie Distressed Cuffed Frayed Hem Shorts, and they are a size 4, and they are, let's see, $48. So that's not bad. So that's my box, and so far, like, just from looking at it, I love everything. I think it's all cute. And the order is $234. I get a 25% off if I buy everything again, so it's a discount of $58.50, and so my subtotal comes up to $175.50, and then the styling fee is $20. But if you do buy everything, then it just gets applied as a credit, and so when you take that out, my total comes up to $155.50 for everything. So that's awesome. I will try everything on for you guys and show you right now, and come back in and tell you guys what I'm going to keep and what I'm not going to keep. Alright guys, so this is the shorts and the top. I think they are great. Sorry if you hear my camera making noise. It's like auto-focusing, and I don't know how to get rid of that noise, so I'm sorry. But yeah, it's a super long top, so I don't mind it. I love long tops, and it's super comfortable too. It feels great. You can kind of like tuck it in. The shorts feel great. Like, I love the way they feel, and I love the length of them. They just feel really comfy on. Like, they don't feel like they're too tight or too loose. They don't feel weird over my thighs. They don't like make my thighs pop out or anything. So I love this whole look. Alright, so here are the pants, and I honestly don't know what to wear them with, but I think they're like, you can't see the whole thing, can you? But they're super, super comfy. They're pretty long, so that's good. And yeah, I really don't know like what to pair them with. I feel like they're really good for lounging around. You can probably go places with these, but like But it'd be good for the beach too. I like them. I just don't know. They're really out of my, not comfort zone because I'm comfortable wearing them, but they're kind of out of my, they're just not necessarily my style because I don't wear pants like these a lot, but I think they're cool. Let's try the kimono, which obviously not with this outfit, but I'm just gonna try it on just to see. I do think the kimono is really cute. What do y'all think? It's really long too, so you can kind of wear like shorts, you can wear with leggings later on. Not gonna wear with this outfit separately. They all look great. They just have to be updated look-wise, but yeah, I think this is super cute. Love the kimono. Alright, so these are the shoes. Not what I'm wearing right now, but what do y'all think? I think I did these a little bit too tight. It's like I like them, but I feel like they're more, you know, like they will look really cute with like jeans on. Alright guys, so I'm back. I'm wearing the white top, which I absolutely love. I'm also wearing the shoes. But and the pants, which are super comfy. So final thoughts, I really like the shorts, which I have right here. So I definitely am going to keep these. Definitely needed them in my wardrobe, so for sure those. Definitely keeping the white top. Like I like the pants, they're super comfy. I just don't know what I would wear the pants with, so I'm kind of torn on the pants. And the shoes I really like. I think they'll be more perfect for like fall because they're like that kind of suede thicker material, so I think they'll be really great for fall in Texas, especially since it's kind of like, you know, 70s 80s in the fall. The kimono I really like as well, so I might keep that one. So that just, I don't know, I might keep everything, I might not. Anyway, that is it for my video. Again, sorry about my voice. Hopefully it comes back very soon. It's kind of almost there. It just, I probably shouldn't be talking so much. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and please tune in to my next video, and don't forget to subscribe. It takes 1 second to hit that subscribe button. And anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.